my God,
Brother Okwi, good afternoon.
Yeah.
Rajulu, good afternoon.
yeah.
Papa said I should come and call you so you bring the money so he can meet up with the elders.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
Okay, tell him I'm coming now.
Okay.
I'll join you soon.
Alright.
Alright. I'm having fun with my baby.
Okay.
So, I'll go and see my father. Give me what I think. Come now.
Stop.
Hey, Toby, this is wonderful.
Yeah,
hey,
it's nothing.
Look at what you've done to my younger
I'll do
brothers.
anything for
Come,
you.
come. Hey, this is so nice. Come. Take this, eh?
Naya, don't worry. I did it for you.
Why?
Wait 1 minute. Take this money.
No, no.
Use it to buy biscuits and drinks for your brother and even yourself.
Hey, after everything you have done.
Nanya, it's nothing. And this is a sign of my love and how much I care about you.
Hey, thank you.
It's nothing, huh?
I have to take them home now. My mom is waiting to take them.
Not
here. Not here.
But I just want to,
not here. We talk later. And my mother is waiting to go out with them. I have to take them home. Thank you.
All right.
Talk later.
Okay.
Okay, thank you so much.
Problem.
Wow. Dad, what a celebration. I mean, you outdid yourselves this time. Thank you. You were really ready for this.
Sorry. You are talking as if you don't know what your father is capable of. I want the news to fly all over the kingdom that the king's son came back from Canada and King did what he has never done before. I want the news to go everywhere.
I know. With that, I'll just say thank you, Father. Thank you, Mother. Thank you so much. Thank you.
Thank you. Anything for you, my son.
I know, right? And again, I mean, look at your cabinet chiefs. The way they were dancing like they were teenagers.
You don't know how much you splash on them. Yeah? Don't worry, the news will still fly around the time. Yeah. Don't worry, my son. My cabinet chiefs knows how to appreciate. Any little you can give, they appreciate it so much.
Well, that's good to know. That's very good to know, yeah?
Greetings, Your Majesty. Greetings, Your Highness.
It's all right.
You, my noble prince. Greetings. Yes. My king, I have taken the cabinet chief to their various home just as you requested.
That's good, my son. That's good. You have done well. Thank you,
I hope everything has been kept in order.
Yes, Your Majesty. Everything is in order, man. Thank you. Thank you.
Good guy. Still loyal, you know. And again, let me say this. I mean, I like what you've done here, the renovation. It's very befitting of a great king and queen, of course.
That is the test. We love good things and our kingdom deserves good things.
So with that, I'll say all hail King Ezuruonye. And you are the great king. You are the great king.
Oh, I'm so tired. I have to fill up our tank. Give that to me. This is why you people are happy like this. Did you why are you people so excited?
Gift, Biko. Don't come with this with my gift.
My sisters.
Oh, go on, what happened?
Did you not hear that the prince is back? If you see the celebration, I wish I was there.
Yeah? Are you serious?
I'm serious, oh.
So you wish you were there?
Yes, no.
Who will let you in? Their wine. Overtake. Let me sit in. Who will let you in? In a wish you were there. Then go and enter now. Why didn't you go there? Since you knew he was back. That's what we're talking about.
Exactly what we were talking about before you people came. My people, I I heard about the celebrations and I wished me gift was there. Hey!
You wish you were there. As what? As one of the lords or the princess? Who will let you in? Or say, I wish you. Everywhere, you want to be everywhere.
Juliana, I will not take that from you. You are making me now think that you are jealous of me.
Isu?
Jealous of my height.
Now wow.
She's talking to a dwarf now. Auntie,
now what for you?
Because I said the truth. The people that went to celebrate the return of our prince have slept over everything and woke up happily with the dollar given to them. And you people want to sit here to argue unnecessarily.
Argue what? In whose house? In my mother's house. You want her to chase you people away with her code? Everybody should keep their voice down. No?
Because yeah, I need to cover my finger. What I heard is that our prince really tried. They said if you see this way he was sharing things, especially the cabinet chiefs. Hey, I wish that was there. I miss.
Seriously, I even heard that as we speak right now, other cabinet chiefs are rushing to the palace for their own share. Hey, not be small thing.
Yeah, but don't get room why Ajadu now. It will get to the Ajadu women now. Yeah, hey, that means he's doing well.
Of course.
And then get to everybody. In fact, this Canadian dollar must reach everybody.
It will not pass me.
They still not you. You guys steal it. If they don't give you, steal from them.
Don't start.
I know now. If they don't give you guys kidnap them with the
Hey, my sister.
Son, we have spoken over this issue through phone over and over. When you made mention of a plan to settle down, I and your mother here said you thought it was at the right time. And that is reason we have decided, as tradition also permits, that you marry from this kingdom.
Dad, I know, but sincerely speaking, I still love Sophia, really.
But son, you said that you settled everything with her and parted ways with her in good terms. So there is nothing to worry about. And also we have good girls, well-trained, beautiful ones here in this community for you to choose from.
Or do you want me to use my power as a king to order all the grown-up girls in this kingdom to gather here in the palace for you to make your choice?
No. Come on, Dad. That's some old school style. No. I'd rather prefer to go out there, get acquainted with the people, get acquainted with the person I might just like. And then, anything can happen from there.
You have a point there, my son. Huh?
Anyway, my son, just be watchful and very careful, because there are a lot of girls out there who will do anything to get at you, Prince. So do not say because we told you that we have beautiful girls and lovely ones here and you threw yourself at them. And they will mess you up and rub your name in the mouth.
No, Mom, forget about that. You see, when it comes to these issues, trust me when I say I'm a dribbler too.
I hope so.
I know so. And trust me again when I say I will bring somebody who is worthy and noble of this great family and kingdom.
Amen.
May the God of our land guide you to the right place.
Ada? Come. Why are you peeping at me? Come. Mommy Ada. Where is Ada's dress? Bring Ada's clothes.
Alright, man. The money now, give me money. Alright, next time.
Okay, thank you.
Yeah, after I help you match your hair,
My baby. I'm so sorry. I'm so sorry for putting you waiting. This is the first man I had to bath. They choked me today. They want to kill your baby.
Okay. Baby, you see why I said you should teach me how to cut hair. That way I can help you when it gets to this level. What do you mean? They have female barbers
baby,
now.
Relax now. Relax. I don't want to stress my baby girl.
I hear you.
It's because OBDK is not around. If not, you wouldn't have been this choky to me.
When OBDK is not around, I will help. Teach me.
No. You will not leave your mother and be doing this kind of business with me.
Okay, if you say so. One, come and eat.
I trust you. No,
Come and eat.
I have to finish this one. Hey, okay. See. All right. Huh? I trust you so much.
Yeah.
You know you're a wonderful cook.
Baby. In fact, I think you should sing a song with this line. You're a wonderful cook, because you've said it like 1 million times.
I trust you so much now.
Yeah, I know.
Let me enjoy myself.
Who is chasing you? Mercy. Where are you running to? Taba, nobody. I'm just running around looking for the prince. Do you know that I heard he goes about chasing all the fine girls, admiring them in this village?
You can go, eh? The prince is there waiting to see you. Where do you think you're going to?
The prince.
The prince must be at the palace by now. So there is no prince anywhere there.
And I've been running around. If you see where I have gone looking for the prince, look at my legs. Very dirty.
Come, let's go. Let's go home.
Wait, first. Are you saying that the prince has gone back to the palace?
He has gone.
No,
I'm back. Come, let's go home. Come, let's go.
I'm serious. You don't know what to do.
Have a seat. Greeting, my prince.
Really love your highness.
Son.
Yes.
You're back.
Of course.
How did it go? Leave us.
Yes, ma'am.
How did it go?
Well, Father, I know you don't expect anything here to be up to the standards of what is in Toronto, Canada, Father.
Have you looked around down here? Have you really checked?
Father, it was just a mere waste of my time, really. Father, please, I beg you. Let me go back to Canada and marry Sophia.
What?
Yes, Father.
I've told you time without numbers to forget about this Sophia I know nothing about. Ramsey, can't you get it? You are the heir apparent to this throne. Huh? The tradition demands that you marry from this village or somewhere around here so that we will not have problem with cultures.
Father, why are you doing this? Why? Why?
It is for our own good. Son, it is for our own good. Just get acquainted with this and everything will blend. Huh? Oh God.
So, Chinaya, what are you saying? Like, what do you think?
Obitike, the pepper soup was so nice. Hi! I really enjoyed myself. You're really making my day.
Chinaya, I'm not talking about
plenty
the pepper
meat
soup.
like that.
I'm not talking about the pepper soup. I'm talking about us. You know what I'm saying? Give me feedback.
What about us?
Look, Chinaya, you know I love you very much. I love you very much. Just accept me to be your boyfriend. See, don't look at me like this, oh. I will love and care for you more than you can ever imagine. Just accept me to be your boyfriend. Is it too much for you?
Good thought. Oh, BTK, I would love to. But
But what again? What again? What is the but inside? But, am I not qualified?
okay,
what
listen,
is the but
listen,
again?
yeah. You know, it's not too long I broke up from one hell of a relationship. My broken heart need to heal first and forget about my ex-boyfriend completely before I can go into another relationship. In fact, I'm even scared. Whenever I remember how I ended my past relationship with my ex.
See, look, Chinaya, you don't have to be afraid. No need to be afraid. See, okay, fine. I understand exactly how you feel. I get your plight, but you don't have to worry. Eh? I love you. Okay, let it not be like I'm rushing you. I don't want to rush you. Eh? Just promise me that you'll take your time and think about it and put our conversation into consideration. Eh? Because have I not tried? What else you want me to say or do? Tell me, I'll do it.
Okay, I will think about it.
Ah, you promise?
I promise. Thank you for your understanding. You're really a nice guy. It's just that I need to take some time.
It's okay, no
but
problem.
I will think about it.
No problem. It's okay. Thank you too. Just think about it, eh?
But this soup was so nice, so thank you so much.
It's alright. I will still buy you more pepper soup. Anytime you come around or you'll be around me, it's enjoyment. Eh?
Thank
like,
you, Obi.
I try, hey. Not like I just stay.
Oh, Jeremiah. Where have you been? We've been looking for you.
Looking for me? Is anything happening?
Must something happen before friends can sit together and talk?
No. Okay. Is this my parents' house?
Oh. Okay. We went to your house. Your mother said she did not see you. We went to Juliana's house. Nobody was there. So we decided to go around the village to look for you.
Okay. Obi took me out.
It's again. Which Obi?
Obi Tiki, of course. The Baba boy.
Ezoku. Hey, the boy must be really in love.
He is, oh. I like him, oh. But me, I cannot do what Juliana is doing. I need a man that can take care of me. Not a Baba boy.
Toothpick. You see, you're a very wicked girl. So you went to enjoy yourself with Obidike without informing your girls. He just attached a toothpick.
It's not like that, girlfriend. It's not like that. I thought he was joking, oh. Before you know, he was eating.
Oh, God.
And drinking.
Can you imagine? We're talking.
Okay, don't worry, no problem. We will go and enjoy with him tomorrow or next.
Hey, Ibian, you are talking. That's my friend, Chineye. Chineye, baby. Baby, yeah. I get really expenses. Go.
Baba money.
That is 100 naira. We'll finish it.
Where are you going?
Auntie Julie.
Okudiri is not here.
I think he should be in the house.
I'm coming from the house.
Oh, okay. Sorry, I maybe he went to the market to buy what we used to work this weekend. I remember he told me something like that.
So when he comes back, tell him I came, eh?
Okay.
Auntie.
Sorry, did you see Naya, your friend?
Chineye.
Or will you see her when you're going home?
Is there any problem?
No, not at all. There's no problem. Just that I like her. And in fact, I love her. And I want her to be my girlfriend. But she keeps avoiding me. Do you know if she has someone else?
Obi, that question should not be for me. You should be asking her. But from my own understanding, I don't think she has anyone.
Yeah.
So I think you should have a discussion with her.
Okay,
ask her yourself, eh?
I'll work with that. I'll ask her.
No problem.
Thank you very much. I'll ask her.
Lover boy. Don't forget to tell Okudili I came, eh?
Okay, I will. Anyway, if it means me dipping my hands in my savings to get Neye, I will do it. Neye must be my girl.
Juliana, what's wrong? This one you are acting as if someone has died. I hope we are safe.
Safe? Obidike's mind is no longer safe. All he does is think about you. In fact, it is very clear that that guy is in love with you, Chinenye.
Thank God. My mind was skipping, thinking something bad has happened. Well, Obidike has been on my neck for a while now, confessing love as if he's eating his best meal.
And what did you say to him?
The truth. The truth, of course. Mercy and Gift knows about it. If you ask him, he will tell you the same thing.
I'm not asking him anything. I'm asking you. In fact, Chinenye, I'm begging you. If you don't like him, tell him. Don't use him as a payback to what was done to you in your last relationship, because I see that is what you're trying to do.
No, nah. You know we are very close. It's just that Obidike has refused to take no as an answer. So I decided to let him be and do his best and realize that he's chasing shadow. Because I cannot bring myself to love anybody right now. All I want to do is have fun, and not even with him.
Yeah. And since you don't want to have fun with him, break it down for him. Let him understand. Please, I'm begging you, let it be like this. Do you understand?
Cross my heart. I'm telling you the truth.
Well, if you say so. Anyway, come, let's go before these people come out to find out what we are doing.
Knock, knock.
So you guys came to see us. Are we safe?
Yes, you are. We decided to come and see you and spend a little time with you and all that.
Or should we?
No. Wait, let me get you. Don't go. Sit down.
Oh, thank you. Thank you, dear. How are you? And how is your brother?
I'm fine. No, my brother went to shopping clipper for customers, and also to do 1 or 2 outside jobs, you know. But as for business is doing fine. So,
That's good.
What do I offer you girls? What do I offer you girls now?
Oh, look at the way he acts, like a perfect gentleman.
I told you he is. Obi, whatever is good that you want to give us, it's okay for us.
Anything I
So
want
long
to
as it's cold.
Anything. Okay, you know what? Just wait for me, I'm coming.
Okay.
I'll be back, I'll be right back.
Alright, no problem.
You have even abbreviated the name from Obidike to Obi. I see you.
Remember
I
that
see you. Then get a pose.
Hey. Oh.
Hey!
Wow.
Thank you.
Calm down.
Nah. I would hold it.
Let me hold it. Respect yourself.
There's enough for you girls.
See, let me share you.
Thank you, Obi. You're a darling.
Are you sure?
I am, of course.
Thank you. Calm down. Respect your old age. I'll do this one. This one is for me. Don't show it yourself. This one is for you. Thank you. Thank you very much.
Enjoy.
Thank you.
Hey!
Thank you so much, Obi.
Enjoy my money.
Obi, thank you so much.
Enjoy my money.
But we have to be running along now.
Why now? So sudden?
No, it's just that we were going somewhere and then we now decided to branch here to see you.
So now how is it going to be now?
We'll talk later. Don't worry. When I'm ready, I'll let you know.
Are you sure?
Sure.
Are you sure, Naya?
Sure.
No problem.
Hey, thank you. Hey, don't worry. I'll let you know.
Okay.
I'll let you know.
All right.
Bye.
Bye.
No, thank you.
Brother, welcome.
What's going on?
It's Nael and Gift. They came here to see Juliana, so I decided to entertain them since it's the first time.
I don't get it. Entertainer? You decided to entertain them with which money?
It's from the money you gave me to buy clothes now.
Cherikwe. I gave you money to buy clothes and you're using it on women. In a keko?
I didn't use all of them, it was just a little that I used.
Okay, I bet you. So what do you suggest I do?
Maybe Obidike is your brother and your younger brother at that. Do you understand? He's no longer a baby, he's a man now. So I don't think you shouting and quarreling with him will solve anything. I think you should call him, sit him down, have a conversation with him.
I don't even know how to go about it and what to tell him. You know, he's my brother, so I have to be careful with my words.
Like I said, call him, sit him down and talk to him as your younger brother. And don't start the conversation with him, with you telling him to back off. You should start by explaining things to him, especially telling him the kind of person the woman he wants to be with is. And if he wants to go ahead and be with her, fine, that's on him. What is that for?
This is exactly what I want to hear. Thank you so much. God sent to me.
Greetings, my prince.
Greetings, ladies. How are you?
We are fine, sir.
Okay. I can see you're off to fetching water.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Why don't you hop in? I'll help you out.
Huh?
Come on in.
Thank you. Way. Hey, my prince. My prince, I hear you live in Canada.
Yes. Please help them out. Ladies out. Even the
Thank you. Oh, my prince.
Yes. So how's everything been? Yes. So I see.
Afternoon, my prince.
Yeah. How are you? Great. Yeah. I mean, I'm liking what I see in the village right now. I mean, everywhere is quite developing. So much infrastructure.
Yes, my prince.
Yes. So, how are you ladies? How have you been coping?
My prince,
Very
we're
good,
fine.
my prince.
Good.
My prince. How is Canada?
Well, Canada is good. It's a bit cold right now, but I'm happy to be in the tropics.
Hey!
Yeah.
My prince.
Yes.
Good afternoon. How are you? I'm fine, thank you. Hey.
How's everything?
I'm fine. How is Canada?
Well, Canada is good.
Hey.
Thank you.
How was your flight?
Oh, very well, very well.
My
How
prince.
is Canada?
Oh,
You know, I live just
My prince,
Okay.
my name is Gift.
Oh, Gift.
Yes.
Yes. How's everything, Gift?
Fine, thank you, my
Good,
prince. You are
good,
doing well.
good.
Prince, do you know, there are places I want to show you in this video.
we can show you
I know
together.
you've missed. I know you've missed so many places.
Yes, of course, and of course our delicacies of.
But Prince, there is this special Iseo. Do you like Iseo?
Of course.
By the time my prince, there is this bushmeat
never-
I will take you to.
Oh, really?
Bushmeat store. if you eat it.
If I cook
with palm wine.
Oh, you know how to cook
Hey,
it.
my prince. Hey,
Wow.
you need to try my
prince.
Yes.
I know you missed palm wine.
Oh, I did. I'm in Toronto. You don't have too much
Just
of that.
consider
Yeah.
it done. Anything you want, anywhere you want to go, just call me, send for gift. You don't need to look for anybody, just send for gift. I'll give you the gift.
Wow.
My prince.
Yes.
I love this your shoe.
My
prince.
Yes. Wow. Okay.
My prince, have you eaten today?
Well, I have actually. I hope this place is very close to your house.
Yes, my prince. Yes, my prince. It's not far.
All right.
Yes, my prince, very close.
Yes. So as agreed, we'll go on schedule as planned. Huh?
Yes, my prince.
Well,
thank you very much.
All right, have a nice one. Okay.
Everybody want to follow the prince here. Everybody want to marry the prince here. See, I see these girls who they disgrace their mama. Desperate chicks, they want marry the prince here. Jay, they don't say the prince in Nabadoski. With so much power, just like.
Hi! Who could have thought that me, I will enter this kind of car? My sister. Hi! Hey! Who could ever believe it? That me, gift, me, was driving all over this village with the prince. He took us to the neighborhood and brought us back. Prince of our land.
Wait until the news go round the village. Then you will know how important the prince is.
We are the superstars now. We are celebrities. Now we they make things happen for this village. If not us, who? Who?
Hey!
You see, my only disappointment now is that I did not hug him.
Oh, you did not hug him. Hey. Pay me. Stop that thing. You just stop that thing. I did not hug him. What did you not do? You see that thing that you did back there? I don't even want to talk about it. Then your baby swear that your body was shaking up and down. And you were pushing me by the corner. It just a more better from nowhere. Push you. I don't even want to discuss it. It's a story for another day.
It's my fault that the
Please,
prince saw me and liked me.
Gifts.
Can you imagine?
Stop dreaming. Eh? My mother will be waiting for me. Let's go.
Your mother can shout at you. But don't worry. Immediately you tell her all the stories, how the prince took us out and brought us back. She will be asking you when is it.
No problem. You will come and tell her yourself.
Hey!
Let's go.
Hey, I'm telling you, you girls are the talk of town now, on everybody's lips. Hey, star!
Celebrities!
Hey! Baby, like you girls are doing well. Do you know how many girls that want to get close to that prince? That just want to stand close. Let them just put their name and the prince's name in the same sentence. But you people are not just standing close to the prince. You are inside the prince's car and he's carrying you round the community. Here.
An opportunity presented itself. And luck favored us.
Yeah, my dear, this one is more than luck. Hey! Luck.
You know, I never knew that this news will spread this fast. I'm telling you.
It's a spread. This one is wildfire. Everybody knows about it. Every corner you see people talking, they are talking about you people.
Celebrities.
Hey, Mana MS. I've been meaning to ask you. When you people gather like this with the prince, like when you go out and you're always together talking, what do you talk about? Eh? Okay, what do you always talk about? Oh, you don't want to talk. You that always tell me everything. You don't want to talk now. It's like they told you not to say anything. I'm the outsider. Don't tell me now. Let me stay on my own.
Juliana, you know you're my very good friend.
Oh, I didn't know. You're just telling me.
You know I cannot hide certain things from you now.
Oh, that's surprising.
So, but I want this to be a secret too, please. I want it to stay between both of us.
Yeah, I'm going.
Okay, the prince returned to get a wife. from this, our community.
Yes,
yes, he said something like that. He's searching for a wife.
Hey! What? But what happened to the white woman, the one he was supposed to return with last year? The prince that the king was even preparing a feast for them.
Well, he said that the king changed his mind, and asked him to return so he can pick a wife from our community. That was it.
That one means trouble. Trouble pro max.
What do you mean by trouble? Trouble how?
You see, what do I mean by trouble? Do you know what these girls... Every girl will do everything possible to become his wife. I pity the poor guy. I wonder how he's going to choose a real wife, because all of them will start pretending, packaging.
Well, the prince is keeping it on a low for now.
On a low. Story. In this community. It's either they hear it from him or one of these council members or these chiefs that the king will confide in to help them find a wife for the prince. They tell their daughter. Before you know it, it spreads the whole village.
It's true. Well, I hope he finally settles with a good wife.
Amen.
It could be anybody,
My sister, I pray for him too.
Even me, sef. Now, if you see this prince king, if you know, all the cool go ben, better.
Mercy, I like you. I like your faith.
Optimism.
Your faith, that dear. Optimism. Nah, so that's very optimistic, man. Celebrutus.
Celebrutus.
Oh, what is it now?
Why are you making me run after you like this now? You're making me chase you like a hunter that is chasing bushmeat. Do you know how long I've been calling you? I've been calling you since that road that leads to our house. Is it fair?
Sorry, I couldn't stop there. Many people were staring at me and gossiping.
Well, that is true. That is true.
What are you talking about?
It's the news concerning you people and the prince now. The news is everywhere.
What so? Let me ask you, Obitike, did we commit any offense in that?
Well, no, I didn't say anything, no.
So why is the news everywhere as if we were caught attacking the prince?
Anyway, that's not why I'm here. I'm here because I want me and you to talk.
Then do that and forget about the prince issue.
Everybody want to follow the prince here. Everybody want to marry the prince here. See these girls who they disgrace their mama. Desperate chicks, they want marry the prince here. Jay, they no say the prince in Nabadoski. With so much power, just like he in the Boski. Onya palopotano soka bakwano nyazo. October fast senses, no, one by one. They are desperate village girls. They are desperate village. They no get shame at all. Desperate village girls. All of them are gold digger. Desperate village girls. They are desperate village girls. Anya fadi chokununa. Desperate village girls. They no get shame at all. Desperate village girls. girls. Almost a village, yeah. Desperate village girls. Everybody want to follow the prince, yeah. Everybody want to marry the prince, yeah. See, I see these girls who they disgrace their mama. Desperate chicks, they want marry the prince, yeah. Jay, they no say the prince in Abadoski. With his so much power, just like he in the busky. Onya paloputa no soka bakwa no nyazo. Okuba for senses, no, one by one. They are desperate village guys. They are desperate village. They no get shame at all. Desperate village girls. All of them are gold digger. Desperate village girls. They are desperate village girls. Anya fadi chokonono. Desperate village girls.
You know, I love you so much. You are a prayer I wished God would answer me.
You know, one thing I'll say is this: I have my reservations, though, because of the psychedelic standards of the Western world.
Hey, Prince, Ibiawa, what are you talking about?
Well, what I'm trying to say is, you're a sweet girl, but still, local champion. Yes, I mean, with regards to you being far from civilization of what I know in the Western world, definitely.
My prince, don't insult me.
Okay, you know what? I'm not going to insult you, alright? Calm down, you sweet girl. So this is what you're going to do for me. You're going to go in there, into that bathroom.
Okay.
Keep the door open. Excite me while I watch you take a bath.
Really?
Yes, and if you excite me that well, I'll join you. So how about that?
Good idea.
Good idea.
I think I love that.
Everybody want to follow the
my prince.
Everybody want to marry the prince. See, I see these girls who they disgrace their mama. Desperate chicks, they want marry the prince.
My prince, I would like to ask you something.
Okay, I'm all ears.
Is it that I'm not good that you have been taking my friends for a special trip and avoiding me? I've been asking them, but they refuse telling me. Did I do something wrong? Please, I beg of you, tell me so that I can change.
Special trip. Okay, if I'm meant to understand you, you want me to take you on a special trip too?
Yes, my prince. It will be a great privilege to be with you. Please.
You know, I'll score you very high on perseverance, so you just won yourself one.
Sorry, my prince, sorry. Thank you. Thank you, my prince. Thank you.
It's okay. All right.
Bye, my prince. Thank you.
What is it? Why are you shouting, eh? Kenyon, what happened? Why are you dragging me? Kenyon, what happened?
Please, we want to know if you have seen Chinenye. We have not set our eyes on her since morning.
Chinenye?
Since today.
Did anything happen? Came in, women.
A simple question, you know, Bali. Did you see her? Yes or no? You not see? Did anything happen?
No, I've not seen. Chekwa, what happened now? You can't just ask me and then you're walking away. What happened? Eh?
Not, you know, just that the mother is looking for her.
Yeah, chai. But where will she have gone to now? Hey, how about those places you people and the prince always go to? Go there and look for her. Maybe she's there with the prince.
What is we don't go to any special place with the prince. It's just that he drives us around in his car. Oh, where? I see those.
Guanu, now maybe you should go through those routes now. All those roads you people drive around. You might see them. She might be with the prince. Maybe they are driving around. Just follow those roads and see if you see them. Chekwa, or is there something you people
Okay, nobody's telling you anything. Because go inside and stay with your Oga.
Come on, stop this. Stop.
My prince, it's late.
What do you mean it's late? Stop. That's the more reason you should stay.
My parents will kill me. I have to go.
What do you mean
Please.
your parents will stop this nonsense? What is wrong with you? Your parents will kill you. Why would they kill you? For what? Stay back. When tomorrow... Look, it's even dangerous to go back to your place. You know that, right?
But what am I going to tell my parents? I've never been in this situation
Come on,
before.
you stop
Please,
acting like a child. Stop this. Stop it. What's your problem? I've told you if I can't take you back home, Sam will take you.
Are you sure, my prince?
Of course I'm... Listen, your parents will not even doubt me. If I tell them that you stayed back at the prince's place to take care of his friends from Canada. Like serve them drinks and refreshments. Come on. Come on.
Thank you.
Come on, let's go do this. Come.
Today I'm talking to you. Where were you yesterday when I was looking for you?
And what is that supposed to mean? Are you now my father or my mother? Obidike?
Chine, you don't want to answer me? You don't want to answer me? Where were you when I was looking for you yesterday? Huh? You don't want to tell me where you were?
And I'm talking to you too, Obidike. My parents did not ask me such question. And you? What right do you have to question me? Oh, I see. So you expect me to bow down and apologize to you, eh? Because you spent your peanut barbing salon money the other day on me and think otherwise. Mind you, I'm not your friend though, so don't try it next time.
So China, it's like this, eh? It's like this. This is how you now talk to me. Eh? This is how you now talk to Obidike. No problem. No wahala, no problem. This is how you talk to Obidike now. No wahala. We shall see.
Everybody want to follow the prince here. Everybody want to marry the prince here. See these girls who they disgrace their mama. Desperate chicks, they want marry the prince here. Jay, they don't know say the prince in Abadoski. With so much power, just like he in the...
Dear Safa.
We're fine.
That's good. Let me rush home. I have to take the food item to my mom. She asked me to buy them from the market for her. I'll see you later.
See you later. See who later? We're seeing you now. I'll see you later.
Why?
Oh, you're asking us why? You think we don't know you've been avoiding us since you returned with the prince this morning?
And what makes you think that I've been avoiding you too? My mom has been sending me up and down and I've been busy running around, as you can see.
Oh, please stop. You can tell your well-cooked story to a stranger and he or she will believe you, but definitely not both of us. At all. Have you forgotten we grew up together and we know each other perfectly well? So please stop lying because you suck at it.
Okay, so what do you want? What can I do for you two?
Can you imagine? Lele, Chinenye, look at you, Ngewakwa. Chinenye, Ngewakwa. What are you feeling like? That you will even ask us, what will you do for us? What can you even do for us? Chinenye, you know that we know you've been avoiding us. So, come out with it.
Even if I know, I wouldn't want to talk about it. See, I think everyone should just mind their life the way it pleases her. If you excuse me, my mom is waiting for the food. Please, let me go.
I didn't hear her well. Chinenye,
Everybody want to follow the prince here. Everybody want to marry the prince here. See these girls who they disgrace their mama. Desperate chicks, they want marry the prince here.
Wow. Juliana, how are you?
I'm fine, my prince. But how did you know my name?
Your friends speak highly of you, you know?
My friends?
Yes.
My prince, I don't understand. Which of my friends?
With so much power, just like in double skip.
Well.
October senses, one by one. They are desperate. They are desperate.
Yes. So, we are going out to have fun. Yes, yes. So we presumed that we should keep the number total and circle together to make it 5, definitely, which includes you. So, shall we be on our way?
I'm sorry, my prince. I cannot go with you people. You see, I have to take some goods to my mother at the market, and I have to do it this afternoon.
It's not a problem. It's not a problem. I mean, let's go have fun first of all. Then you can do the chore later, huh?
My prince, I'm sorry. I will have to decline. I can't go. I really have to run this errand for my mother today, else she will not sell anything today.
My prince, did I not tell you? Now you've seen it yourself. She's not that type. I told you let us go to where we were going, but you refused. You insisted we come here. Now you've seen it yourself. Let's go inside the car. My prince, you're waiting.